So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's start with this trend. Remember, first thing, you need to know what your trend is. Second, you need to trade with the trend. So when you take a look at this your gold, we are going to take a look at our main trend, and we're also going to take a look at the current trend. Now, if you have to zoom it out, you will see that this gold main trend is an uptrend. This is our main trend. This is our overall trend, right? The full bigger trend is an uptrend move, right? Basically, market has been trending to the upside, right? That is the full main trend. Now, when you also zoom it in, also, you see that market is literally trending to the downside. Market is literally what's downtrend, right? Now, this is what's the low the market did give us. This was the low, and market was able to pull back. It was able to drop one more time to give us another low, and then this is the pullback to give us an equal lower high right here. This is an equal lower high, right? Market eventually was able to drop again to give us a new lower low right here, and this is our lower high. So with this lower high the market has given us, we should be expecting market to drop one more time to form a new lower low. So guys, we should be expecting market to actually drop to form a new lower low. So that is to tell you that a bearish move is what we should be expecting next on our gold. Now let's drop down to the forward time frame. So what market is doing right here, market literally push up, right? If you see it, this is your lower low, and this is the lower high. This is also your lower low. Here comes the lower high zone. This is also our lower low. If you take a look at what market did, right, the market literally pushed up to take out this previous lower high, thereby giving us a coach. You know what a coach means? It means a change of character. So with this movement, market has now changed its movement. Today, seeing that market now broke above our 10-period simple moving average. It is trading above it, right? Then if you see what market did, market eventually pulled back. So with this pullback, right, we should be expecting market to push up one more time to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So we should expect this pullback to finish before it eventually push up one more time to form a new high. So above all, we should be anticipating for a bullish move again for the day on gold.